Okay, me and Heather are gonna try to attempt to take. Well, that thing right there it's a homemade lava lamp, and we're gonna put acid tablets in it. Should we put 2 in there?
That's that first.
Okay. Okay. Grab the thing. Okay, and then it's gonna like blow up. Okay, get that ready.
Okay, what ready?
The cap. Okay. Okay. I'm backing up, dude. Hold it down.
Then I want to let it pop.
Okay, now let it go. Run away! Run away! I don't want it squirting all over the place like I did the first time.
It might. I don't know.
Whoa.
It's moving, dude. Oh, shoot. I can see it on this side. It's like...
I can see it. We should totally do that again. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Where's the lid?
Where's the acid tablets?
There.
Right here.
Okay.
Hold this. Get back up.
I'm scared. I'm getting front up, back shit. Ew. Should I stop it?
Yeah.
Wait, I think it's gonna overflow.
Let's hope. There's another acid tablet, dude.
I don't have any more.
Oh, dude, it's squirting. Or whatever the heck it's doing.
It's overflowing.
No!
That would have been bad. She drinks.
What are you doing?
She's gonna disappear. She's gone. Okay.
Foam. Okay, you can turn